Hello everyone, today I'm bringing you some breaking Disney news. So usually for my videos I go on using a script, but for this I'm just going to do it from the top of my head and truly my heart. So Disney has made the decision to retheme Splash Mountain to Princess and the Frog. So basically what Disney has said is they're getting rid of Song of the South and putting in Princess and the Frog. So that means there's gonna be a Tiana, there's gonna be a prince, I forgot his name. There's gonna be the gator guy, I forgot his name too. I really have not seen the movie. I've only seen it like once when I was really young. And I think it takes place in Louisiana. So one main question that makes me wonder how are they gonna do this change is how are they gonna fit a ride that is not themed to like Western into Frontierland, because Frontierland's like cowboys, cowgirls, and adventuring and stuff. And I'm sure there might be some adventuring in Princess and the Frog. I'm not sure. I haven't seen the movie in like forever. But how are they gonna immerse these two rides? How are they like gonna fit Big Thunder Mountain and Splash Mountain together? What is the name gonna be? Is it gonna be Splash Frog? Some of my friends were joking around being like, oh, Splash Frog, like, but obviously that's a joke and that's not gonna be the name. I still have many questions. Disney did say that the project has been in the works since last year and there is no announced construction date for when they will begin construction. The general public has had this idea for a while now. There was a video posted about a month and a half ago with the Splash Mountain music taken away and the Princess and the Frog music put over it, and a lot of people liked it. I personally didn't, because Splash Mountain, I've ridden it since I was young and it's always had a place in my heart, but it's always time for a change. And like going on by what Disney said, how they're always trying to update rides so they can be ready for the future of Disney and so their current technology and stuff. Well, I guess we'll just have to wait and see until we get some more details from Disney. I mean, the concept art looks pretty nice, but Splash Mountain is going to be no more. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for my upcoming Manta video that will be posted very soon. Thank you guys. Have a good day.